Alright guys, so for this video, we're going to talk about the wire spoke wheels for low profile tires, silver plated. So if you're going to use this for your MA chassis, now this video is for you. Now if you're going to buy these wire spoke wheels for your MA chassis, I will give you some important reminders or things that you need to do or buy so that you can perfectly use or make this work for your MA. Okay, because I made a mistake before. I just bought the rims and then used it for my MA, and after that I encountered some problems. Right, so we will tackle that so that you won't have to experience that as well. Now the problem with this wire spoke is that if you use a 60mm, which is the default wheel shaft, the rims will hit the chassis here. Okay, so tendency, if you push all the way through, if you push the wheels all the way to the center, it will not spin. Okay, it's like it's hitting the chassis over this part. Okay, now what you can do is this applies to 60mm shaft and 72mm shaft. Okay, it doesn't matter what shaft are you going to use, but just a reminder, if you're going to use the 72mm shaft, you need to pierce your rims. Okay, because 60mm won't fit if you already pierced your rims. Okay, now there are two things that you can do. So first, you can buy or you can use this one, the 620 ball bearing set. So each pack includes 2 pieces, so you have to buy 2 packs. Because if you will compare the 620 ball bearing set to the one that I'm using right now, which is the mini round ball bearing, this one is thicker than this one. Okay, so tendency, if you will use this one, your rims will not hit the chassis anymore. Okay, that's one. Now if you don't have this, or you don't want to buy the 620 because it's a bit expensive than the other one, if you're using this one, what you can do is you have to use, let me get this first. Okay, here the roller spacer, or this is the one that they use for the rollers. Okay, so like this one here. Okay, the one that comes with the rollers. So you can buy this. Each pack comes with 20 pieces of this. So you can use this as an alternative for the 620. So this is how you do it. So before you put the rims, you have to insert it here like this. Okay, so pretend this is the chassis. Okay, so chassis, and then you place your roller spacer. Okay, and then insert your wire spoke rims. Okay, so it will give you a bit of like a space. Okay, or a spacer. So by the way guys, you cannot use the regular washer or spacer for this. Okay, this is the one only allowed for the BMX category. You can use this one. This is legit guys, don't worry. Okay, you won't get disqualified when you use this one. And this is what it looks like. You zoom it in. Not sure if you can see, but there in between. Okay, so when you use that one, you're good to go. So your rims will not hit your chassis anymore. Okay, so regardless if you're going to use a 60mm or 72mm shaft, just use this one if you're not using the 620 ball bearing set, and then you're good to go. So I hope you learned something from this video. So as always, take care, stay safe, have fun racing. See ya.
We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. stay safe, and have fun racing.